Hi. All right, so there are a lot of people who are asking me that if it's possible, I can show them my van, and then this video is gonna be my van tour. All right, so I just want to let you know, guys, be a little bit of a fan of this guys. And then, as you can tell, and yeah, we started like this van is one of our fleet vans that we have it in the business, and then I start with just like some little Chevy van, don't get offended. And then after that, I feel like it was like mid, not the high roof one, it was mid roof, and it was just like too hard to go in and come out, and then like lack of spacing, that we decided to just like, that's not gonna work. And then we're gonna buy newer vans and like bigger vans, high roofs, and like have a lot of space so we can design what we want, and then like to have easy access to the stuff that we are looking all the time. And yeah, we decided to buy these vans, and then after that it was the idea that okay, let's make these vans awesome. It was time for some Tim Horton coffees. So what I want to show you guys that we divide all of our stuff. It's just like for easy access, like super accessible, like everything. So our half-inch PEX fittings, along with the like PEX creams and the like shut-off valves and everything, is in this Packout. The other one is just like the Wesbo stuff. And at the top, as you can see, this one is all 3/4, like everything, like the rings, like the cream, like all of them together. And then you can see it's a bits, and then all of these sawzall blades, and then yeah, we have the whole new system of the hole saws along with this fitting. I love these socket savers. They are like US brand. I'm not sure what's the brand. Okay, Reed.
Reed, yeah.
And yeah, they are lovely. I love using them. I have all of the like different sizes from 1.5 size to up to like 4 inches. And the next one I want to show you guys, probably you guys know already about it. So we start with these batteries. Normally, like when you buy like the tools of the Milwaukee, like basic batteries, they will give it to you. They're like, they start from 1.5, 2, 3, and 5. And then after that, we were like, okay, maybe time to upgrade. Then we went for the 6 amps high output batteries. And then when the Forge came, we were like, we want to upgrade everything. So one of the vans, actually, I upgrade all of them to the Forge. And I'm really not sure, like, David, how many batteries we have?
Dude, I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Like maybe over 40.
I lost keep tracking of them. I always ask it like guys that okay, let's just count to see if you missed something or not, and don't forget to pick up your batteries from the jobs, because it's gonna be, when it's gone, it's gone. We cannot cover it, right? Okay, yeah. So and then like when these came, these what they calling actually?
Tilt pins.
Oh, okay. So the
Packout
Tiltmans, when they came, I loved them. I was like, you know, like when something coming, like when something announced from Milwaukee, I'm like really big fan of them. I always track. I right away take a screenshot, write down the codes, and then I will go to the supplier. My supplier, they sometimes they said, hey, it's not even in our system yet. What do you want? I'm like, hey, I want it. The second that this came out, I want it. So we got these ones along with David. You can show like more, 3 of them here. Like, well, you know, it's always like the version of the van. It's not never final. We always moving stuff. We always comes with the ideas that okay, we need to do this, we need to do that. And then should I talk about speakers? I know you hate it. I know you hate it. I know they hate it. Like when it comes to the speakers. So it was like one speaker here. Now I think David carried it, and then the second one also is on our third van. And then look, so we got this speaker, we got the big guy. I like it, but like Milwaukee, the bass is not that much good. when you increase the volume, it's like gone. And we got the third, like the most recent one that it came. I think like my supplier was telling me that I am the first one of the first person in Canada that I have it, because I got this even when Milwaukee didn't even send the email of this one as advertising. And then within 2 weeks after, Milwaukee sent it to the like whole people that they subscribe to the channel, and then like they announced that now it's ready for shipping. So thumbs up for Milwaukee. All right, so the next stuff I want to show you guys is like kind of our little spaces, storage for all of our shut-off valves, ball valves, like from the different sizes, shark pipe valves for the quick fix is emergency quick fix stuff. Then we don't usually like use these kind of valves because if you don't have access to it, never use it. And we totally forgot about our drawers, our drawer system. Like we absolutely love them, especially when you have a plumbing company and you want something like this to always have a track of your storage. So if David can show you guys in each one of these drawers, we all like is fully stacked with all of the stuff that we need. Thank you. And then like you can see all of them is kind of we keep it dry. Like this one, for example, these drawers is just all about like showers, toilets, and then like Reaper stuff, about all kind of these. As you can see, flappers, shower cartridges, another cartridge. Oh, we have some faucet. We can use that. Yeah, so the whole system of these drawers, it really help us to keep a track on stuff, and especially when we go to service calls and we need something immediately, it's there. Like we know that if you have it or not, because you know guys, like business is just about time and time is money. If we don't have it, we're gonna go to supplier, we're gonna drive it, we're gonna go there, we're gonna order it, wait for it, and come back to the customer. And you cannot charge them like arm and leg for that, because you basically waste your time. You don't have a good stock material. That's the problem. Okay, at the top, we have these tools storage, which is we have a lot of tools here. Oh, one of the things that I love about the new stuff that it came, like this is not the like second generation of the Surge, but like we got it recently for David, which is he's like recording, and we absolutely love these Surge ones. They are like super quiet, and then like especially for people who starting the business or who start using like some hand tools, some tools, if they are not sure about like the bit gonna get tripped, like the head, you start with the Surge, and the Surge is like, the thing is like the more that it goes deep and need more power to like for the screws to go inside of the wood or something, it will slow down. So your it's like smoother. That's why your bit head is not gonna get hurt like so fast. But like if you want these ones, they are like I think they are second generation of the fuel, and they are really strong. They're really strong. Like if
fast.
they are super fast. If you don't like don't know how to use them well, they're gonna like make your bits go bad super fast. Oh, the second thing that I love, and I didn't know that, like the fuel of the multi-tool, they have this auto, it will adjust the speed based by how much force you put it on the multi-tool. Yeah, it's just like lovely. I love it so much. I love using it, and yeah, as you can see, we using it for a while. It's like everything, all the glues here, whatever. Okay, cut. What's the next? I talked so much. I think you need to short it.
It's good. It's good. That's what editing is for.
This is a big game changer for us. I know you guys excited to see what's going on here. But this is kind of like we call our baby in the company. And all of us have our own. This is our baby. This guy. This, guys, actually this like Pro Press, they call it Pro Press, like by the Milwaukee. This is save one of the emergency situation happened for me. I was in a condo job, and then we thought that we shut the water, like we shut the risers, like we shut off the valves, and then when we cut the pipe, cut the copper line, it was a second floor, we cut the copper line. So what happened is the water, the noise start coming. It was too much air was coming from that pipe. I realized that something is wrong, and that it was wrong. So the water line, the hot line, it didn't shut up. Like the ball valve, it wasn't work properly. So I had the shark bite in my hand, and I had the fitting for the end cap of the copper line in my hand. And I was like, okay, I will do the shut off, but I will wrap around my hand some towel. I will take that shark bite end cap and I will force it in, and we will call it a day. But do you think you can shut it with the 60 psi line? Good luck. The only thing that saved my life, it's like literally saved my life. The good thing about the Pro Press fittings also, that the fitting's gonna be stuck inside. It's kind of like a wrench, the head. So, and I had no idea. I was like, okay, it's either first option or the second option. So what I did, I put the end cap here, and I force it with my hand. I force it to the pipe, and I click the button. That's it. It capped it. It capped it, and it saved my life. I was like, I don't want nobody be in that situation to face that stress. It's really bad. All right, so another great solution of the storage system of Milwaukee is these crates. We absolutely love them. Like we use in all of our vans the same system, and then the good thing is you can lock them together as all of the Packout system, and then also you can have all of your materials just see what's going on there, and then see like how many stuff you have. It's just easy to keep track of your like stock materials. It's, you know, like guys, like with the plumbing system, you guys will know that everything is just tracking of your storage. Like you need to be sure that what you have and what you don't have, especially if you want to do some service calls, because like for example, if it's 8 p.m., 9 p.m., even like some suppliers, they close at 9 p.m. and then somebody gonna emergency calling you, you don't have that stuff in your van, it's technically you're a useless plumber because you cannot fix it. But like if you keep track of this stuff, like, you know, like basically you have really easy storage system, like all of these drawers, all of these crates and everything. So you can easy track of what do you have and what do you don't. And then if you're running out of it, you go to supplier, buy it, put it back. So yeah, like I love about these stuff that they are easy to access, easy to lock together, and you have a lot of space. All right, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also follow and subscribe us, call us for a business if you guys have any, and we would do our best to take care of your business. Thank you so much. Take care.